Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are essentially still kind of grinding around in this area at the bottom of this overall range. Obviously with Bitcoin to stealing the show at the minute, and with Bitcoin dominance so high, we have essentially seen Vechain basically going sideways for a very decent amount of time really. Obviously we came back inside the range recently with that drop for Bitcoin where we did see a little bit of a move to the downside. We grabbed some liquidity below the swing low of the range, as you can see for Vechain here, but we came back inside. I entered a long position and I actually doubled up on it as we hit this bottom of this range again here. And you can see here now this position has slowly over the past few weeks been trickling into a decent amount of profit. My take profit is somewhere in this region here at around halfway up this range, where I do think we'll probably see a bit more resistance, as we have seen resistance in the past in this area here, as you can see. But right now I'm sitting on a pretty nice profit on my Vechain trade here, and you can see really not that much happening over the past few weeks for Vechain. Really just very ridiculous price action, to be honest, chopping up and down on the daily really. I mean, if we just look at this price action ever since I opened this position here, we can see we come up down, up down, pretty much on the daily, chopping up and down. A lot of volatility in terms of this kind of range that we're coming into. I doubled up on my position here because we did re-enter my break-even kind of entry point that I had here at near the bottom of this range. I did think that we would get a bounce here, especially, you know, once we grabbed the liquidity down here and come back inside and retested and found ourselves bouncing. I did think we'd probably bounce here again, and you can see here that's exactly what happened. I re-entered here, doubled up on my position, and then obviously you can see here we've slowly been making our way up to my take profit since then. My price target for this overall position around halfway up the range. Like I said, I am trading this range until it breaks. I did have a long position here, but I did get stopped out because of that liquidity grab. But I felt confident re-entering because we did retest this area so many times in the past and found it to be a good level of support. You can see here we came back inside. I made that good trade before. This one was stopped out, but I re-entered here, and again, looking like I am going to make another profitable trade from this range that I've essentially been trading, you know, for a good while here. And this thing, you know, it really has been doing pretty damn well. So really not that much to say about Vechain at the minute. Still chopping sideways. We're waiting for that Bitcoin dominance to drop so some altcoins can start to make a move. But right now Vechain just still inside this range, and that is what I will be trading until we see ourselves moving in another direction and otherwise. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please do like and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to the private Discord and a ton of other benefits. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a great way to do so. And I will see you in the next video.